25 is related to the strengthening of the CAB, that is under part 4, making it happen. Now this is the last part, that is execution part or the implementation parts. So for that purpose, CAB, that is Central Advisory Board of Education, should be strengthened first, then and then they can thought of on a simple way and how to implement these policies in the school level as well as in the college level. Then for that purpose, we have to go for the financial aspects or the funding agency. So normally the central and state government is going to take care about these finance supports so that each and everyone should go for the affordable and quality education. And then implementation. So now this is the implementation stage, because already near about 1 year is there from 2019 to 20 and 20 to 21. So implementation is already started. In some of the cases, in some of the education schools, in some of the boards and some of the UGC or AICTE also thinking of already implementing these NEP 2020 policies. So someone has already started, someone has already implemented, and someone has only think of all these policies, how to implement or execute it. So these are the different outcomes of this NEP 2020, that is universalization from ECCE to secondary education by 2030, then attaining the fundamental foundational learning and numerical skills, that is basic mathematical skills, through the national mission by 2025, 100% gross enrollment ratio in preschool to secondary level by 2030, then bring back to 2 crore students out of school children's, then teachers to be prepared for assessment reforms by 2023, inclusive and equitable education system by 2030, board exams to be test, core concepts and application of knowledge. Every child will come out of school adept in at least one skill. So at least one skill should be perfect for that student so that job facilities are there. Then common standards of learning in public and private schools. So this is the committee who have make this or prepare this report, that is NEP 2020. K. Kasturi Rangan is the chairman and other members. So Kasturi Rangan and their members have done their job. Prime Minister has already sanctioned this education policy. Education Minister, now MHRD is now Education Minister due to this NEP 2020. Education Minister has already published and asked to implement all this policy. Now it is your turn to follow all these guidelines and the policies. So thank you. Thank you for patient listening.